Welcome back to LNV How To channel. If you want to know how to make a beautiful decoration using just balloons, please subscribe my channel and keep watching. So my sister-in-law came up with this idea and I made it happen. This was for my little niece Natalie. She was turning 2 and we were so excited to make it look gorgeous. So blow up a bunch of balloons, different colors, different sizes, and then tie 2 balloons together. Try to pick 2 different colors and tie them together, and then to take 2 pairs and twist them around to make bundles of 4. I made some bundles of 3 and most of them are bundles of 4, just to make it look a little different, so they're not like super proportional, super same size and whatnot. Next thing you need is fishing line to put those balloons onto it. You can also use any kind of string as long as it's either clear or some color that you are working with, so it's not popping between the balloons some odd color. Wrap the fishing line between 1 or 2 balloons and push them closer together, the bundles closer together. Or if you find it easier, you can also leave the balloons as a pair, and then when you have fishing line out, put the line in between the pairs and then twist them around. As you can see, it's fairly easy to tie those balloons together. The end is pretty stretchy, and when I was blowing them up, I didn't go to their max size, just so it gives me a little bit of room to work with and they're not popping. So I tied my line on our backdrop. You can also do it on the curtain rod if you're doing it next to the window or wherever. The line going down, I actually did 2 lines to make it look fuller and twisted some balloons in the middle together to make it look closer, so they're not like hanging out as 2 separate lines. At the end, we added some fake roses in between the balloons, and it added really elegant touch to it. So that is it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll have more videos coming your way. Thank you for watching and have a very blessed day.